And if you have a sweet tooth, like a severe sweet tooth that you can't stop eating sugar, that will really help you a lot. I feel complete difference. I can feel complete difference, and I can feel my mind is a bit more organized. Hello, hi everyone. So, this video is kinda makeup. Of course, this makeup look and the hair will be on the current description box down below. But this one is how I deal with my sweet tooth. So, I used to be like 62 to 64 kilogram. Yeah, like my weight. And at the beginning of this year, I began to eat like endlessly, and I gained a lot of weight until I become 74 kilogram weight, and it's not cool. It's not cool for me. My body, it's not bad, it's perfect and feel this curvy thing, but for my face, I gain a lot of weight on my face. I feel like when I look in the mirror, I have like this part here, and I feel like my face become like so big to handle. I'm trying to accept my face with this weight, but I can't. Just like when I apply makeup, I feel like my eyes is so small because of all the weight, and I don't like it, to be honest. I don't like it. So I decided to go for intermittent fasting to lose a little bit of weight, because I tried to stop eating sugar, but I couldn't. I was eating a lot of sugar. Like, I was wake up in the middle of the night while sleeping, just waking up, not to drink water, not to going to the bathroom, but just to eat something sweet, something sugary. It was out of my control. I couldn't, like, I wasn't able to sleep again at all until I eat something sweet, and it was horrible. I feel like there's something wrong is going here. Like eating a lot of sugar, like I want to eat sweet all the time. I can't eat sweet the whole day. Like my main meals would be sweetie and sugary. That's not perfect at all. It really I feel like I'm really hurting my body, and I didn't feel well. I feel like so lazy, unable to do anything, and hungry all the time. And then I decided to go to intermittent fasting to like see the benefit. Like they say they lose weight with it, so my main focus is to lose weight around my face. Not only my body, but my face is my main thing. And also like seeing what is gonna happen when I do that. So I decided to do that for about like 3 days. It was so hard. I started fasting like 16-hour fasting and 8 hours eating, and I was trying to control my eating to like very specific, not sugary meals. Protein based, to be honest, protein based, maybe some carbohydrate like some rice or some spaghetti or something, but mainly protein, and trying my best to hold my hunger and not eating anything sweet in the first couple of days. And to be honest, like the first 3 days, like 2 or 3 days, it was so hard. I wasn't able to sleep well. I feel like there's something missing. I was like catching myself going to the fridge to search for something sweet and just going back. Just like sneaking around, and I'm alone here, so like I am watching me. So when I just going to eat something sweet, no, go back. It's so funny, but actually in the third day I noticed that I don't want to eat something sweet. I like can eat something sweet when like I eat something very salty, but don't have the urge, like don't have this urgent sweet tooth, like I really want to eat something sweet right now. No, just like vanishes. Like all of a sudden I don't feel like I don't need anything sweet. I don't wake up in the middle of the night wanting like eating something sugary, not at all. I was just like waking up to drink water, maybe going to the bathroom, just that, nothing else. I was just like, okay, that's really good, so let's continue doing this. It was hard because I was hungry all the time, And for the first couple of days, like I was just like dying to eat something, and then all of a sudden all that gone. Still feel hungry, of course, after like 16, 18, 20 hours of fasting. Of course I'm hungry, of course, but not like before. Like the last time I ate pizza at work, I was so hungry that I ate half of the pizza. It was the largest one. It was very large. I ate half of it. Like, really half of it. The next time I went to work and ordered the same pizza, I just decided to order the same size, the same pizza, and see how much I'm gonna eat from it. And I ate about like 2.5 slices, and I was completely full. Completely, I was just like trying to finish the last piece, like the last slice, the third one, but I couldn't. I was just like over the top, like my stomach was just right here. The next week when I ordered the pizza, I told my friend to order like a smaller one because I wasn't able to finish the first one and the second one after fasting. The first one after fasting, the second one I ordered the same size. I couldn't eat even to finish it, but he didn't get it, and he ordered like the same pizza but different flavor but the same size. It was just like, what? Why? It was just like 1.5 slice, and it was just like, that's it. So from 4 slices to 1.5 slice in 2 weeks. After like I was like fasting every single day, like from 16 to 20 hours per day. Of course, I drink water, I drink coffee, and I can drink coffee without sugar. I need to like add sugar, so I don't like consider this a part of the fasting. Like when you're fasting, you need to like drink coffee or sugar, anything, coffee or tea without any sugar. But I can't drink coffee without sugar. I can't, so I just like skip this part. I said, okay, it's like a couple of like tablespoons of sugar, so it's not gonna hurt. They give it a try, and I can tell after 2 weeks I lost a lot of weight. I can see a little bit of my face, just like the last part lose weight. I can see in my body. I'm still 70, like I was 74, and then I become 70, but I'm still stable on 70 right now. But like I can feel that I lose weight in my clothes, like my jeans become so wide, just like I feel like I'm gonna slide and leave me to the ground. It was just like, that's weird. I can feel it when I wear my bras. It was adjusted to me before I gain weight, and when I gain a lot of weight, it was so tight. But now I feel free. I feel like they are kind of like beautiful. Like I feel comfortable wearing them, and I feel I lost weight. When I look at myself in the mirror, I don't feel the same like bulky, chunky face that I used to have. I changed the camera lens, so this one is different. I guess makes me like look normal, but when I compare my pictures with this one to the how I was, like there is a difference, like a small difference in my face. But when I change it and record a video with my old lens, I can see the difference between this video, the last video, and the last video I recorded with it before I began this intermittent fasting. I can see the difference. Even with makeup, I can see the difference. So I can feel it, I can see it, and I become more active. I become more like having more power to do things, not feeling tired or lazy as I used to have, like I used to be. There's a great difference. There's a difference. So if you're struggling with lethargy, or if you're lazy, feeling that you have a very urgent sweet tooth, I really recommend intermittent fasting. If it's your first time, don't go hard on yourself. There's like 14 and 10 hours. There's like a different types. There's a lot of apps on Google Store because I have Android, so there's a lot of apps. You can search for fasting, intermittent fasting, and you find the one that you like and like go with it. You don't have to be completely strict with it, especially if you are a beginner, but I really commend it. If you want to lose weight and you feel like it's kind of hard, you eat a lot and you don't have the control over it, especially if it like become a sudden in your life. You eat like you begin suddenly you eat a lot of food, and if you have a sweet tooth, like a severe sweet tooth that you can't stop eating sugar, that will really help you a lot. So this video is not makeup or anything, but I really wanted to share my experience with you because maybe it will help someone. I feel complete difference. I can feel complete difference, and I can feel my mind is a bit more organized. I don't know if it's related with it or not, but I feel like I have more energy and have more power to do the stuff that I really want to do. So yeah, I'm so like more happier, more healthier, and don't have my sweet tooth that I used to have. So I'm gonna leave you now to go and eat something because I didn't eat anything the whole day, and I'm still active and still awake. So I need to eat. So because I'm hungry right now. So I'm gonna see you soon, and I really hope this video will be helpful, and see you soon.